How to track your Uber Eats driver. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video, we will learn how we can track your Uber Eats driver in real time if you're wondering where your food is. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Uber Eats application or visit ubereats.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once signed in, click on the three-line icon at the top left, and once this menu bar pops up in your interface, head over to your order section. So under your order section, you have to select your active order. After that, you will see a live map showing the driver's location, estimated delivery time, and also the updates such as picked up or arriving soon. So you have to see the live map in order to track your driver. You may also get notifications, but make sure that your notifications are turned on, where you will get alerts when your driver is near or if there is any delay. If you want to contact the driver, you could also make call or message to the driver if needed to give the extra instructions. And that's it. Tracking your Uber Eats driver is super easy. That's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.